I promised you that after my second microneedling session, I'm going to give you an update. So I thought I should do it today because I'm really enjoying my honeymoon with my microneedling session. So let me tell you what happened because I am seeing such good results right now.
How my heart starts racing when I'm with you.
Welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Jackie D, and if this is the first time you've reached my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to meet you. I hope you subscribe because I post content based on my experience and based on what I've been doing all these years. I'm 62 years old, so I share things that help me because I'm hoping they will help you too. But always check with your doctor, check with the medical professional, people you trust, just to make sure that things we're teaching you are actually working for you, right? Okay, so my second microneedling session was towards the end of February, and that's 1,000 needles rolling on your face, right? So there's anesthesia, of course, before they do that. So this second session, the needles were longer, so I felt more pain, but it was tolerable. Like, I could tolerate it. I have a very low tolerance for pain, but I could tolerate it. Of course, there was anesthesia, right? And the session normally would last for 35 to 45 minutes because my doctor would really go through every square inch of my face. And what I noticed, actually, what's very obvious, are my number 11 wrinkles here. See that number 11? It's actually not as deep anymore. They used to be very deep, like very deep. I could feel it's like a trench. But you can see, I'm going to show you some pictures from way back or videos from way back. And then that way you can compare. Well, I do have my different skincare products. Some are even homemade. And I know that they've been working for my skin already because I only started my microneedling in January. So even before that, my skin has actually improved a lot. But microneedling really has helped lighten my hyperpigmentation. I could hardly even see it here. And of course, my wrinkles. When you're going through microneedling, you cannot expose your skin to the sun. That's a big thing you need to know before you decide to go for microneedling or do your microneedling yourself. You cannot expose yourself to the sun for the duration of your microneedling. I have an amazing doctor who does my microneedling. She actually was our family physician, but now she's focused on skincare, hair transplant, and healing of the mind and body. And she's amazing. We're great friends, and she's the one doing my microneedling. But she actually sells these microneedling packs, and you can get a pack for yourself. If you've been doing microneedling but want to have a more effective microneedling package, then let me know. Send me an email, wishuponapond@gmail.com, and I'm going to connect you with my doctor, and then that way you can purchase the set from her. Otherwise, a microneedling session would cost 400 Canadian dollars, and you'll have anesthesia on your face, and then the session, of course, which runs for about 45 minutes. But oh my gosh, the results are amazing. And that's just 2 sessions I've had. You normally would have 4 to 6. So I can't wait what's going to happen to my skin after the 6th microneedling session. Oh my gosh, I am just so thankful that there is hope for us. I'm 62 years old. You know, sometimes we think, oh my gosh, I'm so old. There's no more hope for me, no hope for my skin. But honestly, when you know the right person and you go for the right treatment or you have the right products, then there's definitely hope for your skin. If you're finding this episode helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. My goal is to provide you with lots of content that will help you build your self-esteem, whether it's about skincare, healthy living, exercise, makeup, dressing up, whatever it is that makes you feel that you're getting better every single day. That's my goal. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. You take care. Appreciate yourself every step of the way. You deserve it. Bye for now.